In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a spacer in Squarespace, a simple yet highly effective tool to enhance the layout of your website and make your content stand out. Spacers can help to create a balanced look and improve the readability of your pages by allowing important elements to breathe. First, let's navigate to your Squarespace website editor. You'll need to log into your Squarespace account and access the website editor where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in the editor, select the specific page that you want to modify. It could be your home page, an about page, or any other section that requires some organized spacing. Next, look for the Edit Section button and click on it. This action opens up the section editing mode, allowing you to adjust the layout and elements on your page. With the section now ready for editing, direct your attention to the option labeled Height. Click on this to proceed. Adjusting height is crucial because it allows you to add negative space, which can define sections and separate different types of content, making your page more visually appealing. Next, you'll want to choose a specific height size for your spacer. The height you select really depends on the design and feel you're aiming for on your website. Whether you want a subtle separation between two pieces of content or a more pronounced break, setting the right height is key to achieving that look. Once you have your height set, locate the menu that appears as 3 dots. Click on these to open more options. This will bring up additional settings that let you further control the attributes of your spacer. Here you can make precise adjustments to the spacer's dimensions. If the initial height setting didn't give you the exact result you envisioned, feel free to experiment with these settings until you achieve the perfect balance. After you've customized the spacer to your satisfaction, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll see a Save button, and it's essential to click this before exiting the editor to ensure all your hard work is preserved. By saving, you commit your changes, and the new layout becomes live for your audience to see. And there you have it, a fresh new look on your Squarespace site, with a spacer integrated for that sleek, organized feel. Spacers are an understated but powerful way to enhance your site's design, improving user navigation and overall aesthetics. Remember, balancing text and images with enough space can make all the difference in user engagement and readability. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in crafting a more engaging website.